Ryan here, outside, inside, outside racing. And today we're going to install NA Miata seats into my 1973 MGB GT. I've never had a passenger seat in this car, and although Elliot has rode it in a few times, he has requested something a little bit more comfy. So we're going to show you how to install OEM Mazda seats into something old and British. Really, this will work on anything with a flat floor pan. So grab your coffee and let's get going. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's too hot. Here is the floor pan we're working with here. As you can see, it's got some leaves and dirt and that sort of thing, but it is mostly flat, big open space for us to drill holes and mount a new seat. Here is our seat rails. As you'll see, they are bent up just the smallest amount. So we're going to see if we can tap those down a little bit, maybe persuade them with a hammering device. So it'll make our template even easier and install into our flat floor. Here's our weapon of choice for the day, just a 4-pound sledge. Not that we need that much bulk, but you know, I don't like to work hard. So we're just going to give these some taps. You know, there's probably better ways to do this, but you know, if you're watching our channel, probably you know, like to do things a little bit more fun. I'm just looking to get this perfectly straight. Looks like those two are good. I'm going to move on to the fronts here. As you can see, I've got my super sturdy hold down here. The local recycling can. Makes a great workbench. One more. Nice. We're going to call that flat. Next step here is we got a piece of cardboard. I relatively made it kind of the same size as this. So we're going to size it up some more now. Just make the back of it even with there. The side of it kind of evenish with where the rails is. Then I'll come over to this long side here and mark, oops, the rails underneath. Just so we can get a basic size. This works out to where this line is. You can see underneath here, here's the mark I made here, here, and here. So we're going to cut this out some more, come back. All right, so on these Miata seats, we have these nice little pokey things right here. These little pokey things are great for lining up our template, which we now have cut to size. But how we're going to line it up first is we're going to look at this back corner right here. I'm going to try and line it up flush with that. We're going to take a screwdriver, feel it from the front, feel it from the back, and then just make our lineup dowel there. Then we're going to pull this tight as we can with our lineup dowel as straight as we can and our sides straight as we can, and we're going to push these pointy pieces through. Make sure you keep this tight so it transfers well. And so we should have the two pointy pieces right here and plus this guy up here. So now we're going to go through and mark the rest of our holes. These holes are pretty big, so make sure that I make them large enough so we can get a marker through there well. And then come down to our forward ones here. Feel on the front side, press on the back. Waller them out a little bit. Over here to our last hole. And there we go. Template is made. Now, one of the most important things, the thing I'll always forget, mark which side of the template is which. So here we got forward, so we're going to put an arrow forward, and we're going to mark that this is the bottom. Bottom. Now we've got our board marked. We're going to take this over to the car and see how it fits in the floor. All right, so we got our cardboard in the floor here, and most of the time you want to just kind of center this guy up. And I'm just going to eyeball this right at 1 3/4 there, a little bit less there, maybe move it a little bit that way. But we have this e-brake here which sticks out, you know, a little over 1.5 inches there. So we're going to need to offset the seat that much. So if our distance here is right at 2 inches, we got 2.5 there. We still need to come over here just a little bit. And yeah, we're going to shoot for that right there. You know, I'm sure a lot of other people like measure and figure this out a lot better. That's not me. Marker here, trusty Sharpie. Let's get the pointy bits done first. Pointy bits. Pointy bits. Front marks. Front marks. I'm holding this flat as I can. Rear, it's kind of dusty in here. Maybe I should have like cleaned up or something. We'll probably be able to see them. Just hold it flat. Mark it as much as you can. Okay. Let's see if we got. There's our front ones. There's our pointy bits. There's our back one. Back one. Pointy bit. Front one. Look like we're a little offset there on our pointy bits. But you know, that's kind of how it measured out on the seat. We should probably double check it. But what do you know? The pointy bit is offset on this one. See that right there? Here is my nut and washer selection. I've got some rubber bonded washers to go under the seat edges for less NVH, some 12mm bolts, and some big fender washers to go under the body. Nylon lock nuts so they don't come loose. So we're working right down in here, back behind the seat. It's really hard to get a proper angle on this, so you're probably not going to see the actual install. Here's what we're working with though. We got our bolt. We got this little thin washer we're going to put underneath here. This is going to go above the seat. Now we're going to lift the seat up. We're going to slide this rubber washer underneath there. What will this guy do? Probably not a damn thing. You know what? Underneath the car then, we will slide this big fender washer here and this nylon lock nut. Well, we've got it all installed. Now it's time for a seating test. I am 6'2" and currently about 220. Maybe get the tape measure out of the way. See how we sit in here. Man, this thing is comfy. You know, I think I might have room for a helmet in here, maybe. But you know what? I don't sit in the passenger side, and I tell you what, this thing's comfy. I'd ride over here. You want to come drive me? Come drive this thing. Because you can. Did I tell you this car is for sale? Buy this car. Check out the listing. You've seen the videos. You can have the car. Take the car. I'll sell you the car. All right. Peace. Hey, come check out the new seat.
It's pretty good.
Feel comfy there? Feel secure?
Yeah. Wait. There's no seatbelt.
Seatbelt.